Hello students, welcome back to another lesson online. Today we will be working with the conversion of fractions to decimals. When you have a fraction, we know that you can move to the decimal um, representation by dividing. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to have the top number, the numerator inside the box, 3 inside the box and 4 outside. How many times does 4 goes into 3? You can't, it's too small, so I'm going to add a placeholder here. And then if you add a placeholder, you add the 0 on top. Now, how many times does 4 goes into 30? That's going to be 7 times. 28, I subtract, that's going to be 2. And this 4 cannot go into 2, so add a placeholder. Now it's going to be, nothing happens here, basically because I already have the decimal in place. So that's going to be 5, 20, it's going to be 0. So 3/4 is the same as 0.75 hundredth. Let's try 1/5. Again, 1 goes inside the box, 5 comes outside. How many times does 5 goes into 1? You can't do that, so you add the placeholder, start with the decimal. It's going to be 2 over 1/5 is the same as 2/10 or 20 hundredth. Alright, example number 3, I have 1/8. 1 goes inside the box, 8 comes outside. How many times does 8 goes into 1? You can. You add a placeholder, you start with the decimal. 1, 8, you subtract, that's 2. You add another placeholder, that's going to be 2. 16, subtract, that's going to be 4. You add another placeholder, and that's going to be 5. 40, and then you have remainder 0. There you go. So 1/8 is the same as 0.125. Let's go ahead and complete the practice, see how you do. Good luck.